Hi friends, so today again I'm learning how to write prompts. So I'm going to use ChatGPT to teach me. Okay, now so here the last time when we are making it, so as you can see the line, my line here. So like आज हम एडवर्ब को स्टेप बाय स्टेप क्लियर तरीके से समझेंगे. So you can see here there's some difference, little difference like a dash. Okay, so the small differences matter when you are writing the prompt. So you keep in the mind. Okay. I did not care before, but now I do care about it. So you know that. Okay, so now let's see that hook teacher tone. So step by step. So you see like a simple examples like here and quickly kaisa. So the words whatever you said, we got the answer here. Okay, so आज हम एडवर्ब को स्टेप बाय स्टेप और सिंपल तरीके से समझेंगे. सो वी गॉट द लाइक एडवर्ब क्या होता है, सिंपल डेफिनेशन. एडवर्ब वो वर्ड जो वर्ब एडजेक्टिव या दूसरे एडवर्ब के बारे में बताता है. ठीक है, मतलब कैसे, हाउ, कब, कहाँ. So as you can see here, the example whatever is given, it's written in English. As you can say that the main title is like English, but the words you see that they are the English letters, but that whatever the way when we speak, it's a Hindi, like a word. The words are the English, but we speak in Hindi. It's not a Hindi words, but English word, but like a Hindi. So when I put that kind of way, then I'm getting that this kind of uh, content when we put that prompt. So that's why it's really important how you're writing that. Okay, and because of I written that Hindi English, that's why I get that. So the second from the adverb four simple way, how, when, where, how much, degree, step by step कैसे पहचाने, how to identify. So here you can see that simple examples, quick practice, recap. So all of the things that we get it just writing the one prompt. Now like when you send your sentence, I will correct if you need it, give your style. So why verb it was used, give a small tip to improve it. So अब आप एक sentence भेजो, just one. So it's saying that I need to add something so that it can improve, and I don't know what to do here. Okay, I will tell you that I don't know. So let's say I just say something else. When you send your sentence, I will correct it if you need it. Keep some your style. So if I add my style or tone, in gonna whatever I get a response, it's gonna adjust in that way. So I will just write in like my style. Okay, so adverb is a simple word that tells how verb is doing. I'm just writing a sentence. Let's see what happens. Tell the truth, I'm not understanding anything. Sometimes I think watching video much easier, but I really like this way where I can figure out myself. So your sentence shows the correct idea. Now try thinking right direction. Now let's improve step by step like a teacher. Adverb is a simple word that tells how verb is doing. What you did right. You explain how. Okay. The main purpose of many adverbs, simple Hindi English friendly structure, beginner friendly, clear meaning. Step 2, tiny correction, teacher tone. Okay. Okay, so simple word that tells how a verb is being done. और बिगनर वर्जन, एडवर्ब एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो बताता है कि वर्ब का काम कैसे हो रहा है. दिस मैचेस योर टोन एंड टीचर स्टाइल्स. चेक योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग विच वर्ड is a adverb in sentence. So as you can see that I'm getting like this response, and I don't really hope to have that. Okay, I'm feeling really weird right now because that's not something I want to learn here. I want to learn like how to generate codes, how to generate into scripts or other things. Yeah, I wanted to do that, but not a Hindi English this form, because I can understand that whatever content I get and then I can just say it in my way, but here. So which word and verb in this sentence? He speaks slowly. Just give the answer. Later on we see that what we can do. It takes some time. I thought it's because of internet connection, but it's not because of internet connection. Okay. So okay, now let's go on it. Teacher tone practice. She sings beautifully. Your task, it seems like that I'm learning here. Again, just wait for a few more time and see that I'm getting the response, and then I'm gonna do something else. Okay. It feels really boring. I will tell you that. Not feels. It is boring. I have to wait, and then I have to again wait. I just put a timer. Okay. I can't oh, step more than that. Okay. So I'm gonna use clock for that. Now just go to here timer. I'm gonna spend like a 50 minutes enough. Okay. So now you are ready to next steps. Get your own sentence using verb how. So adverb how कैसे? Explain, don't copy. He walks slowly. They work carefully. She writes neatly. Now you write one sentence using how adverb. कैसे? Rather than I'm learning how to write the prompt, it feels like that I'm learning right now in English grammar, and that's why I feel really weird, right? Okay. Should I say to him that I'm learning prompt engineering, not English? Okay. Let's go to next. Let's see what response we are getting here. Okay, great. You learning fast. Next concept is spoken English plus prompt engineering training, because you understand what you can see here what is that, because you already understand what in a verb is, how to identify, how to use sentences. Teacher to English language. It was really teaching me adverb. I thought that no, it's some kind of checking that what I know or not, like that. But I didn't know that it's already teaching me. Okay, so teaching me what adverb is, how to identify, how to make sentence. Okay. Okay. So next topic is like adverb time. Simple easy explanation. Okay. Okay, guys. I believe if I'm on the wrong page, let me check. Okay. I think that I'm on the wrong page. That's why it's saying that way. Okay. Okay. No, I'm not in wrong page. I believe. Let's consider a simple word like a way to teach it and practice. Yeah, I'm not in wrong page. I'm the same page of prompt engineering, but now it's teaching me adverb. Okay. So I need to tell him that I'm learning prompt engineering. Okay. So I'm learning prompt writing. Okay. Not English grammar. I think he forget that, or like the context I've given like English Hindi. That's why I think he get confused. Not sure about it. Okay, got it. Thank you for telling me. We immediately switch back to prompt engineering, not English grammar. Okay, that's why I think where I'm getting wrong. Okay, so the next day 6 prompt engineering. So the skills say follow your styles every time. Keep the same tone always. Avoid changing format. Stop giving random outputs. Produce predictive high content results. So as you can see that right now I got like this idea. So sometime like something you don't aware and don't know that you might get like that. So try to be aware about that. You can't fully trust AI for it. You can see the example right now. Okay, so today we're going to learn about YouTube script content creation English. Okay, that's it. What is a consistence control? It's meaning telling the AI always follow the same rule every time you answer. We do this by two tricks. First, system memory block in your prompt. This paragraph tells the AI permanent rule. Second is reuse prompt technique RPT. Okay. So there's two ways: system memory block, and reuse prompt technique, RPT, reuse prompt technique. This means you write single reference prompt and use it again and again. We learn both. So let's build your constants block. Here the simple template. Always write in simple, friendly Hindi English tone. Okay. Always explain things step by steps. Always gives example. Always clear formatting. So these words, like these prompts, as you can see here in these four. Let's say I created a new chart. Okay, if I create a new chart here and I put it in first time the chart, after then if I don't even write these things, it doesn't matter. I will get all the four things, and that's what will happen. Okay, build steady mode means you create your version step by step, or even you can write a one thing. So in the tone, whatever question you ask again and again, it's gonna give in that way, because in the prompt you say that, because that it remembers that chart, like the same chart, so it's gonna give you that answer. That's what I can understand. Okay, so 10 exercises very clear, easy. Okay, let's see. Choose which consistency rule you want to follow always. Use simple and friendly English tone. Give a explanation step by step. Always use example. Use clean bullet points and table. All of the above. So I'm gonna use 5 all of the above, because all of that important for me. Again, wait for a few seconds. It seems like study mode is slower than normal mode. Perfect 5 all of you the above is strongest choice. This means you are already professional level. Okay, part 2 here. Okay, there's a 5, you see that there's a 5 things that you need to learn. Simple, friendly, step by step. Always include example. Use bullet tablet when needed. Keep format constant every time. This will become your AI personality rules. Okay, but we do this slowly, step by step. So step 1, combine your rules into one clean sentences. So always write in simple and friendly English tone. Always explain ideas step by steps. Always include examples. Use clean format like bullet points or table when needed. Keep this style constant in all answer. Your turn, your task very simple, easy. Rewrite above the ideal words, even if it's not English, perfect English. Just 1 to 2 lines like this. So I'm gonna like so act as a spoken. I'm writing this all. Okay, English teacher. Okay, teach simple present tense. Okay, then comma, then I write that always write in simple. So if I put this one, okay, this two, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, even I can remove this, then my will work well. Okay, but still I write that always write in simple and friendly. Okay, Hindi English. Okay, give give step by step. Okay, I just copy that. Okay, I don't want to write all that explanation. Okay, comma, always include 10 examples with different words and sentences. Okay, so this is that prompt I wrote, and I will tell you that when you're writing the prompt, you need to think before what you are writing it, but that's something I'm not doing it. Okay, I thought it was really easy just to write whatever you need to, but it's not as easy. So as you can see, right now it's thinking. It will take a couple of seconds to complete that. So let's see how much time we have left. 6 minutes. Okay, I have to just bear with for 6 minutes, and then I'm gonna close this one. Okay, as I told you that I don't think it's an internet problem. I thought yesterday that internet issue, but not like that. Nice, you wrote a strong instruction. I cleaned that Titan and professional. Copy paste prompt you can use. So polish prompt like act as professional spoken English teacher who teaches Hindi speakers. Okay, always write in simple friendly English tone. Teach the simple present tense with a clear step-by-step lesson, define structure, formula, usage rules, and quick tips. Include 10 different example sentences. Use different verb words for each example. So, do you want to get the lesson now using the prompt, or would you like to tweak it first? Okay, I just want to see what I'm gonna get. So I'm just write generate. Whatever I'm learning it, I'm gonna try to save this prompt whatever I got it, because I thought that I can write the prompt myself, but I think I should have a library of the prompts, so that can help me to make my life much easier. So get sense this is not homework and you are learning prompt engineering plus spoken English. I can generate that lesson. Okay, skip that. So what is the simple present tense definition? Daily routine, रोज का काम, हैबिट आदत, जनरल ट्रूथ, हमेशा सच चीज़ें, फैक्ट्स, इजी लाइन. जो काम रोज होता है, आदत होता है या हमेशा सच होता है, वो सिंपल प्रेजेंट में आता है. As you can see that whatever structure we got like a Hindi English, yeah, but not the day we wanted. I think I need to refine that. Okay, as you can see this one, the first definition we got it like right, but the second is structure, it's on written in English. Okay, even here as you can see the English, but here you can see it in like a sentences like मैं जल्दी उठता हूँ, so it's written in that way. Like tips, okay, have it वाले sentence almost always use simple present daily to. It's okay, but there's some improvement needed to be done there, because that is not the prompt I wanted. That's that I don't want. Okay, so if you want I can generate table, workouts, YouTube script based on the lesson, a PDF notes. Just tell me. I'll just say that let's go to next. Let's go to next. Whatever I learned here, I think that I should practice somewhere else. It would really helpful, because I think just doing here it's not enough. And what you need to learn about this one, like role context, output format, table format, style control, and constants control. Not how to do all of that. No, only these things I need to learn. Okay, and I'm gonna practice these things. Okay, because understanding these things are main. Like a role I understand, like I act as a professional, whatever, that is role. Context like a what I want to learn, also not understanding. Output format means that how I want that in a table for output format, table format. Like the style, it means that which style I want. I can have my own style, so I can give example. Tone, friendly tone. So I understand tone, style. Okay, table format and output format I also understand. Role understand what that means. Constancy control, that's something I didn't get it. Okay, and day one, it's a multi-prompt structure, breaking big tasks into small prompts. So prompt calling, generate outline, explain point 1 to. Okay, these things I believe next day I'm gonna do. I will just focus on the 6 point that from this week, and I'm gonna practice it somewhere else. Whenever I'm gonna write the next prompt, I'm gonna use all of that. So thank you, and learn. Okay, just how I'm learning, just learn, because that's something we need to do.